welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing you guys another Dollar Tree Saturday video. I always post a new Dollar Tree video for you guys every single Saturday because why not? Saturdays are kind of slow and people like to go shopping and go out and do stuff. So why not check your guys' local Dollar Tree to see what we have. Now, I was super excited for the items I was with. My husband was with me for this shopping trip. This whole shopping trip was just one trip, so I had to share with you guys what I got. I was pretty excited for the finds we got. Plus, I like to find some stuff that we can resell, so I got some great things that you guys can look for if you guys are interested in that. But the one thing I am so excited I found was the True Blood cookbook. Now, Nicole Burgess, I saw this on her video the other day that she had found these books. Now, they had the cookbook, and then they also have a drink book, which I am on the hunt to find it. I am a huge True Blood fan. When I first saw this show, I rented it, and I'm like, I had to buy it. I went and bought it the next day. I now have all, I think it's 8 seasons, I think, or 6 or 8 seasons. I can't remember off the top of my head. I have all of them. I want to binge watch them again. I just can't really binge watch it when Ben's around because of the content that's in it. But I absolutely love that show. I actually read some of the books, which I've been wanting to finish. I don't know when that'll happen, but I was super excited to find this book. But this book, they originally wanted 30 bucks for it, and it's just like a cookbook. I don't even care what's in it. It was $1, and it's from, you know, True Blood, and it's got like pictures of all the movies, and then it's got, you know, some, well, there is drinks and stuff in here, but I thought it was like a cookbook and all that jazz. So really liking it. This stuff is probably from the last couple seasons because not everything is from season 1. So look at that. I'm sitting on my phone and it's hurting. So this was my super excited find. I could not believe it. My husband even knew I really wanted to find this. So I'm on the hunt to find the other one. I just couldn't believe I could find that book. So I am on a hunt to find the second book. My store got some brides wedding invitations. Now we have a friend who we want to get married, but we're like, maybe we'll buy these for her if we can. But they had thank you notes for the brides. These are just like a 40 count of the cards that say thank you. Now what I do like is it actually has the real print. You guys can actually see, like, you can feel the card and see what it says like. Now these are not just for wedding thank you cards. You guys can give these out for just regular thank you cards. And I try to write thank you cards. I slack on it, but I try. And I thought this would be a great thing to use for, you know, people who need thank you cards, or, you know, husband and I were thinking of reselling these in a while. Not right now, but he looked online and some of this stuff is selling for $19 a pack. So I'm like, why not, you know, just save it a little bit and see what goes on. We've been really trying to, like, you know, buy and resell because some people buy that stuff. So right here I got 4 of the 40 packs of the thank you cards, so could not pass up those. And I actually got more. When he's with me, when we find like deals, he's like, oh, we should go get more. We should go get more. So we got that. I ended up getting these really cool invites. Now I wish they had this stuff when I got married because this would have been so much cheaper using these than what I did. So this is just your regular invitation. And there's 40 invitations in here, and it looks like it's a kit, and I think the envelopes come with it. But, yeah, it comes with 40 invitations, 40 invitation backers, 40 ribbons, 40 envelopes, 40 response cards, 40 response card envelopes, wording examples, and 1 extra of each printable item for a printing test. Wow. Oh, that's cool. So what you do is you go to a certain website, and you guys can print these off and do it all yourself. That's cool. But for $1, could not go wrong with that. I thought these would be a great deal. I mean, I'd only sell, I'm not gonna like make big profits on them, but I'd probably pretty much sell and make, you know, sell for $2 or $3 and get my money back. So we got 4 of these things. 4 of them. So pretty excited for the deal that I got. I really want to start like reselling stuff because, you know, why not? So that's kind of cool. And then we also got this one. This one is like 30 invitations, and it comes with like kind of everything that you see on here. And then you guys can actually open this one up, and then this is kind of what the example of it looks like. You can see what the cards look like and all that jazz. And then this is what is all inside. So it comes with the ribbon, the cards, and all that thing. So I thought, hey, if you guys kind of have like an orange theme like that. I ended up getting this one. This one I think is super cute. This was actually the color of my wedding. It was purple and black. So I thought, you know, and I handmade all my invitations, but I wish they had these when I got married because I would have totally done this. But this is a 30 pack, and you know, this is everything that comes in the box. So I thought that would be super cute, and it does magnet. So got that one. I ended up getting, you guys, I got so much. I ended up getting this one. This one got a little wet. It's raining outside. And the boxes are super nice. So this one's like a little bit different, but you know, it's got your invitation stuff in there. So it's got to look like that, and then that's everything that it looks like inside. So cannot go wrong with those. And then here we got a flower one. I'm going to scoot this stuff over so I don't block my view. So we got this one. This one's like a little like gray flower, and ooh, it's kind of silvery, it's shiny. So this is kind of what that one looks like. So I think that's super cute. I really like how they have, you know, the invitations. So we kind of got a little bit of two of everything. I think we only grabbed one of the ones, but we ended up getting, again, the silver one, and then we also got another purple one. So those are something we're going to see if our friend wants when she gets married, or just hang on to them. And I got more stuff, you guys. I just went crazy. Husband and I went crazy. So I ended up getting a toothbrush case because mine's kind of bad and old. And we're going on vacation soon. I thought, why not have it? You know, I got to pack one for Ben, pack one for me and Graham. So I thought, just get another one. And these are super cheap. Why not? Found more bath bombs, you guys. I'm so excited for these. I don't know what the scents are on these. It just says Treat Me Bath Burst, and then it says Spa Goals. And I could not find what the smell of it is, but this is a heart. And I think it's super cute. There was one that I saw that was like smashed. And it's like either that one was just bad, but they had some circular ones, but I like getting the fun shape. So I definitely had to get the heart for Ben. Ben was with me. He's like, Mom, bath bombs, bath bombs. I think this one's kind of cute. I don't like the color, but it's a cupcake. Like, you can only see the front of it, but it's like a cupcake. It's so cool. So, and if it's like a full-size cupcake. Cannot go wrong with a full-size cupcake. Got another one of those thank you cards. We're just going to start a pile. Just start a pile of everything that I got. Here we got, I'm excited for this one. This one is, it looks like a shake or a chocolate shake, or not a shake, but it looks like a little shake or, you know, coffee drink. So that one's pink. You had to go with that one. And then I bought some Milky Way Simply Caramel bars, and somebody threw the wrapper on the ground, and nobody can tell me who ate my candy. Somebody ate my candy. How dare you? I get you guys treats all the time, and then somebody goes and eats my candy. So I ended up getting a 6-pack because I'm not sharing this. I'm putting it in my purse, and nobody can have it. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. So nobody can have my candy. Oh, look, you guys. Another thank you cards. I think when husband and I grab stuff, we don't even look. We just grab more thank you cards. More thank you cards. Oh my goodness. More thank you cards. That is it. Nope. I found another thank you card. That is it. No more thank you cards. I have a mountain all the way up to here of wedding invites. And I wish, if I get married again to my husband, I'm going to use these. And then he saw this caulk. I don't know how well it is, but Red Devil is a pretty decent brand name. But he's like, oh, I want to get this. And he, like, every time we shop at the Dollar Tree, he always grabs his phone out and price compares to other things. Like, some of these were running for $19 a piece. So he's like, I'll get it for $1. Not sure what he needs to caulk, but for $1, why not? And now we're down to my last bag, you guys. I'm not going crazy, but I was pretty excited for what I have. I'm on a hunt for other items. My wrist has been killing me lately. I don't know what's going on. This is my finger where I just type all the time at work. I just type. And I'm like, I need something to support my hands. I got one of these before. I have no idea what happened to it. But I need to just support my wrist because my carpal tunnel is coming back. But this just helps me. Like, I feel so much better having this on. It's not the greatest one, but I think it'll do what it does. I probably don't even have this on right. Yeah. So, I don't have that on right. but it'll help me. Otherwise my hands just really hurt, so now I can just keep it on my hands if I don't want to bend them. So had to get the wristband, which I'm actually going to put in my pocket so I can bring it upstairs. I found these Cheez-Its grips. I've gotten these in the past, but I thought these are cute to have just as a snack while I'm at work. I like to snack on things, and I'm really trying to avoid snacking on candy, so why not like snack on chips or like crackers? But this has a 6-pack in here, so I'm like, for $1, I'll try it out. Got this for Ben. He's really obsessed with balloons lately, and I'm like, why not get him a punching balloon bag? So there's 2 balloons in here where you can just go boing, ga boing, ga boing, ga boing, ga boing. So I had to get those. I'm not sure what characters are on it. It looks like Marshall and probably Chase, because I'm assuming Marshall's red and Chase is blue, but had to get those for Ben. Thought this would be a cute little gift to give to my mother-in-law. They are obsessed with candy. If you ever, or candy, coffee. Anytime I have any coffee stuff that I don't like, I give it to them. I give them gift card shops. Everything coffee, I try to get them. But this says Carpe Diem, but first coffee. It is a magnet thing, and I thought this would be super cute to give her. Is like a little, she likes to doodle stuff, so why not give her like a little doodle pad with coffee. And I'm sorry you guys, I found another thank you card. I don't even know how much we bought. Oh my goodness. Found another bath bomb, and this is a cute little unicorn. I really wish these had the sense of the smell on it. I don't even know what these smell like, but a lot of them are pretty much the same colors. So had to get the pink fluffy unicorn. Pink fluffy unicorn. Can you tell I listened to that song on Kids XM? Pink fluffy unicorn. Yes. And this is my last and final item. This is actually a repeat buy for me. This is something I buy from the Dollar Tree a lot. I absolutely love vanilla wafers. I get the vanilla wafers every once in a while, but I tried these and I think these taste just as good. I've tried other vanilla wafers and they taste like crap. I one time bought some and I'm like, I can't even eat this. That's how bad it was. So I definitely love these. These are a repeat buy for me. I think when we go to Florida, I'm probably going to get a box of these just because I can snack on stuff like this and we can bring snacks with us wherever we go. Sorry, I'm like shedding. I got hair. Don't you hate that when you have hair in your mouth? But yes, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we went a little too crazy on the bride stuff, but we have some friends that can definitely use this stuff. And for $1, you can't go wrong with 40. I mean, thank you guys. If you guys buy thank you cards, like, okay, so this is what I have laying on my desk. I bought these a while back ago at the Dollar Tree. Thank you cards, like, these are super cute. Yes, I agree, but there's only 6 of them in here. 6 for $1, okay? Here is 40 for $1. 40 for $1. Can't go wrong with that, so that is why we bought so much. But yes, I wanted to share with you guys my Dollar Tree haul. I show you guys Dollar Tree's hauls every Saturday. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.